na 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 na. Basta, kana nga music viral kaya nga music karon. So listen, learn for today's video. You have to choose the right music. Be careful in using a background music every time you upload a video. So for today's video, I'm flexing the Cacao Culture chocolate shop here in Davao. So we got a package from them. And this is what I got. So, I actually opened this already. Gikaon na akong uban. But anyway, yes. Akong i-flex kay lami kay lang chocolate. Ayan. And ang katong kalamansi, hurot na. Chocolate with kalamansi, hurot na. But this is nawang. And happy na siya mahurot. Yummy. Not so sweet. Let's try this mango chocolate. Actually, we met the owner and they harvest their own cacao. So they plant their own cacao. They have farm. So if you're gonna visit their place, it's really nice. They're not sa Davao. Oh, this one is mango chocolate mango. Mango chocolate. Bon appetit. Yum. This is a good snack. I like it. To have dark chocolate. If you saw my previous video na nagtimpla ko og hot chocolate nga instant hot chocolate, I got it from them. And now they give us this package. They have a good products. They have good products over there. So visit nyo na lang. It is this one, Cacao Culture here in Davao, chocolate shop. Kasi lahang address. I'm not really concerned ng address, but here, Matina. That's the address. So if visit new, it's really good. They have good stuff there. This one is good. I like it. Yummy. Yeah. I like it. It's so sweet. Very tasty. Culture, cacao culture. You have good stuff. Very yummy. Wow. So yun lang. Bye. Have a good day.